Here we are in the Blizzard of New York City 2015. As you can see, there's an inch of snow on the ground. And the snow is coming down.
Where are the 24 inches of snow on the ground?
The streets are going to be closed off. There's going to be no transportation permitted. And this is a terrible nightmare. Everybody's freezing to death. Ooh. Snowstorm. I don't know how we could live in such conditions. I don't even know why I'm out right now. Just to give you the news. So you should really be appreciative here. Oh. As you can see, I'm the only one out in these weather conditions. Nobody wants to be out in this. It's terrible. It's horrible. So to everyone out there, I say stay safe, stay indoors, unless you want to meet your doom!